Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into the top 5 project management tools that can help you manage teams and projects effectively. Selecting the right tool can dramatically boost your team's productivity and streamline your workflows. So, let's get started and explore the options. At number 1 we have Asana. Asana is a comprehensive project management platform suitable for teams of all sizes. Its key features include task management and assignment, which allows you to easily delegate tasks to team members. It also provides team collaboration tools to ensure everyone stays connected. You can view your projects using timeline and calendar views. Finally, Asana offers progress tracking and reporting to help you monitor your project's status. Asana is an excellent choice for teams that need a robust and versatile tool. Coming in at number 2 is Trello. Trello offers visual project management using Kanban boards. This makes it incredibly simple to organize tasks. Its key features include a Kanban board interface. It uses card-based task management. Trello also offers Power UPS and integrations with other tools. The simple drag-and-drop system makes it easy to use. Trello is perfect for those who appreciate a visual and straightforward approach. Our third pick is Monday.com. Monday.com is a customizable work operating system designed for team collaboration and workflow management. Key features include customizable workflows to fit your team's needs. It has visual project dashboards for at-a-glance updates, automated task updates. Finally, it serves as a central team communication hub. Monday.com is a fantastic option for teams looking for a highly adaptable and visually engaging platform. At number 4 we have Notion. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and collaboration tools. Key features of Notion include a flexible database system, document and wiki creation capabilities, a template library to get you started quickly, and a block-based content editor for easy customization. Notion is an excellent choice for individuals and teams that need a versatile and integrated workspace. Rounding out our top 5 is Slack. Slack is primarily a team communication platform, but it also offers integrated project management capabilities. Its key features include channel-based communication for organized discussions, file sharing and collaboration tools, app integrations and workflows to connect with other services, and real-time messaging for instant communication. Slack is ideal for teams that prioritize seamless communication and collaboration. Now let's quickly compare these tools to help you make the right choice. If you're a beginner, Trello offers the simplest interface with visual Kanban boards, perfect for small teams. For enterprise-level solutions, Asana provides comprehensive features and scalability for large organizations. Consider these factors when selecting the tool that best fits your team's needs. In conclusion, selecting the right project management tool can transform your team's productivity. Choose the one that fits your workflow and watch your projects succeed. Start your project management journey today and unlock your team's full potential. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.